Hey, hello everyone. So yes, this is a kind of interview thing, and there are certain questions given to me, right? And I just need to answer those. So yes, there's a channel. Okay, there's a girl whose channel name is Science Phobia, and she has requested me to take and to actually give an interview. So this is related to that only. I'm just going to answer three, four questions of hers. So the first is intro about you. Okay. So I'm Aditi Vinod Arya, and I have my own YouTube channel named Learning to Learn. Currently having 97,000 subscribers, and I've started this channel in the year 2017. So it has been more than 2.5 years kind of thing, right? And I also started working with various other platforms I also started two of my new channels, that is Study Vlog and Boss Lady. I also work with Unacademy since last 1 year, and my future plans are, you can say, to uh, continue in this particular field, right? In education field. Let's see what happens. So the next question is, what do you teach on Unacademy, and why did you choose Unacademy for teaching? Okay. So first of all, I did not choose Unacademy for teaching. They approached me, and they told me to give a demo. We had a talk, and everything seemed fine, and then it continued. Okay. So I never knew about Unacademy. Fine. So yes, Unacademy approached me, and the second thing, what do I teach? I teach for NTA UGC NET category. All the students who are going to, you can say, prepare, or you can say attempt the examination of NTA UGC NET. That is, you can say, for assistant professors and PhD, right? So it is a national level examination, and almost 10 lakh people every year sit in that examination, among of which like 5 to 6 lakh are only from commerce. So my course topic is for paper 1 and paper 2, all the theoretical aspects. So the topics like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, higher education, people environment, ICT are main in the paper 1. And if we talk about paper 2, commerce and management, mostly all theoretical topics like business environment, business economics, then marketing management, human resource management, banking, information systems, etc. So to resume, the next question is, how was your experience with learners on Unacademy? So this is a very interesting question. The experience is really very nice. I have a lot of students, especially on special classes, because that are free of cost classes. So in a certain class, there are like around 50 to 200 students, right? And the interaction is really nice. And if there are a lot of comments, it becomes difficult to catch up with those. But if I talk about overall, it's really nice, right? Many of the students, they come again and again, and many of the students are very regular. Many of the students are very polite and decent, and many of the students interact a lot. So that is, you can say, a very two-way communication, good communication, and it actually shows that they are very interested in their studies. They have, you can say, various questions, doubts, and everything goes in a very smooth manner. So the interaction with the learners is actually very awesome. And suppose sometimes it happens that some of the students don't come in the class, or they are not attending the class, I even ask with their names that why this particular candidate is not there. So that also happens sometimes. Okay, the next question is, how was your first interaction with Roman Sani and Gaurav sir? Okay, so on Unacademy, I've never met or had a direct interaction with them. To be very frank, there was no, you can say, conversation with them ever, right? But of course, I would love to meet them someday, because of course they, or you can say, the main persons of Unacademy, for which I work. So yes, someday of course we will interact. But right now there is no interaction, or there is no communication. I know that they are the main persons or the CEOs, but no interaction. Okay, the next question is, any funny or motivational moment with your learners? Lot of funny moments, lot of jokes goes on in the class. You can say, just to ease learning, right? Many examples, many stories, everything goes on. So I cannot remember one incident, but every day it takes like two or three incidents either it is funny or motivating or inspirational, something on the else happens every day, right? So to remember one particular incident would be very difficult for me. So I cannot say that there is only one particular incident. The interaction with the students is a lot on an academy. So there are many jokes going on. There are new tricks. If the students come up with the new tricks to learn something, or a new trick to understand something, they even you can say they are very open minded. They are not very narrow minded. They are very open minded. They actually share their knowledge with the other students. They are very, you can say, cooperative. They help each other a lot. And many of my students in my WhatsApp group, they send me certain types of, you can say, text, PDF formats, images, etc., and they actually request me to, ma'am, put it in the group so that everybody can get that. So everybody is very supportive rather than, you can say, uh, being individualistic. Everybody is cooperative in nature. So that is one of the best thing I love about my learners, that they actually care about each other. Of course there is a competition, but there is a healthy competition. It's not that कि मेरे पास नोट्स नहीं है तो मैं किसी को नहीं दूंगा, राइट, या मुझे कुछ मिला है तो मैं किसी को इन्फॉर्म नहीं करूंगा. नो, दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव ऑफ ईच अदर. वो नोट्स शेयर करते हैं, दे शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन, दे शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. So that is a really, you can say, plus point for the learners as well as for me. Okay, the next question, how your life has changed after being an Unacademy educator? Okay, so this is a good question. The life has changed a lot, to be very frank. Right now I'm working from home, and on average every day I work like 6 to 7 hours, very effectively, except all my recordings related to YouTube and other every other work kept aside. It takes around, on average, every day 6 to 7 hours of work to either prepare PPT, to either prepare notes, to take live classes, to update the MCQs, or what do we say, quiz. So everything is going on, right? And Unacademy, every month it brings something or the other new, right? Sometimes we have webinar, sometimes we have group meetings, sometimes we have some learning sessions. So there is a lot going on. So in every month, or you can say at every coming month, I'm actually looking forward for something new from Unacademy, and they actually provide us a lot of new things, including, you can say, various webinars, learning sessions, feedback forms, many things, right? So yes, the life has changed a lot, right? Uh, in terms of academically, right, I'm good. I'm far better than the previous year. Presentation wise, I think yes, I'm improving a lot. And yes, I need to work on certain aspects, but yes, definitely my life has changed because the time management has increased. I cannot waste the time right now. Okay, I don't have the time to waste, right? And then students have all these messages on WhatsApp, I need to reply those. So after Unacademy, I can say my day is damn busy. My schedule is damn, you can say, packed. But yes, it's really fun to work. It's really fun to work with Unacademy. The next is, what do you learn from Unacademy? A lot of things. A lot of things. Uh, Two, three things I love about Unacademy is, first of all, they give you exact freedom. No, till now none of the Unacademy team has complained about you should teach this way or that way. No, they completely give the freedom to the educator that what is your style. Okay, for example, I give a lot of examples. They don't interfere in the teaching style of the teacher, right? They don't interfere upon the courses the teacher is providing. So I get a lot of freedom, autonomy, which I was not getting in my previous offline classes, right? So there was a particular style I need to stick to, there was a particular regime I need to follow, but here it is not, right? So this is one of the thing I have learned, right? And the second is consistency. Unacademy always tries to be consistent with the educators, with the learners, with the experience, with the quality. They do not compromise with that, right? So they're very disciplined, strict, and that really helped me to improve my personality as well, to improve my habits, right? So that's really important. I think these are the two things I've learned. You can say the freedom that has been provided and the discipline, I think, and the quality. The next is any message for your learners. Okay, so I have a lot of messages, but a common I can say, all the people are struggling a lot, right? Many of the people, many of the students, they don't have notes, and they can't buy notes because of the coronavirus going on right now. They cannot step out of the home, and it's becoming, you can say, very boring process or tedious process, because they're learning the same thing again and again, and the date is not yet declared by NTA UGC net. So आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड अ स्टूडेंट्स फीलिंग, राइट, कि एग्ज़ाम कब होगा, कब हम प्रिपेयर कर पाएंगे, डेट भी नहीं पता, हम बस प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, क्या मतलब है इन चीज़ों का, एंड आफ्टर कोरोना वायरस क्या होगा, राइट, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन। और सही भी है, एज अ स्टूडेंट मैं समझ सकती हूँ हर एक स्टूडेंट को, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी, यू कैन से, सिचुएशन जहाँ पर बच्चे को टेंशन होती है, बच्चा परेशान है, बच्चे को नहीं पता आगे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्या रहेंगी, राइट। एक स्टूडेंट इज़, यू कैन से, इन अ वेरी different state of mind right now, right? And I can totally understand the problems, the issues, the challenges they are facing right now. So I can say one important thing that to the learners, अब जो भी कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर आपकी मेहनत वेस्ट नहीं जानी चाहिए। ऐसा ना हो कि आप एंड टाइम पे गिव अप कर दो, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। इट इज़ जस्ट बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट। जब एग्ज़ाम होगा तब हो जाएगा, मगर बी वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड, बी, यू कैन से, कंसिस्टेंट। अगर आपको सब आता है तो रिवीजन करो, 2 बार रिवीजन करो, नए टॉपिक्स पढ़ो, रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स पढ़ो, MCQs करो, बट कीप योर सेल्फ कंसिस्टेंट। बिकॉज सपोज हार मान जाते हो तो आपकी जगह लेने के लिए 10 लोग और खड़े हैं, बिकॉज द कॉम्पिटिशन इज very tough. They're like, you are competing with 10 lakh other people, okay, for a seat. So understand, अगर आप उस टाइम पे झुक जाते हो या आप उस टाइम पे कमज़ोर पड़ जाते हो, तो आपकी जगह लेने वाले 10 लोग और होंगे। तो अंडरस्टैंड, आपको कमज़ोर नहीं पड़ना है, आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है, आपको कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, और याद रखना, यही दिन डिसाइड करेंगे कि आपका JRF या नेट क्लियर होगा या नहीं। और JRF क्लियर होने के बाद तो बहुत, यू कैन से, आप एक स्टडी लाइफ जी पाओगे, आपको मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे, आप अपना PhD कर सकते हो, ऑफकोर्स आपको रेपुटेशन मिलेगी, आपका करियर एडवांसमेंट होगा। तो प्लीज़ उस चीज़ को सोच के अभी आपको डबल मेहनत करनी चाहिए। दिस इज़ व्हाट आई फील, दिस इज़ द मैसेज टू माई लर्नर्स। एंड प्लीज़ डोंट मग अप थिंग्स। ऑफकोर्स जिसको मग अप करना पड़ता है, ऑफकोर्स दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट rather than just mugging up, okay? So this was it, this was I wanted to say. So I think all the questions have been answered, and this was a very nice, you can say, kind of interview, and that's it. So take care, study hard, stay safe, stay at home, and take care. Bye.